There's a lot to love about the new Sony FX30. $1,800, you can buy two of these for the price of one FX3. The oversampled 4K 60 from its 6K APS-C sensor. The quiet fan, no worries about this camera overheating. The compact size, you don't need an external power unit, Canon. You don't need an auxiliary fan unit, Fuji. The dual SD cards, that's a nice touch, and dual CF Express cards, really nice. But of course, no camera is perfect, right? So it still shoots 23.976 instead of 24 frames per second, and it is just, it's that annoying. And the oddest one, it still uses CF Express Type A instead of Type B. And if I'm correct, every other camera manufacturer uses CF Express Type B. So Sony, why? Just why?